Check out this spot. Nice fall weather here. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, over the last 5-6 days, it's been in the high 70s, even 80 degrees. But today, it's a nice cool 50 degrees in this fall day, and hopefully we'll catch some trains here. I'm about 15 miles south of Front Royal, Virginia. Now, that was a good mixed train, not very long though, but I wasn't sure what that second engine was. I think it said WFRX. If you know, leave a comment below on the bottom there, and I think that'll do it from I'm not sure where I'm at. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rails.